Welcome to Fraser Place Canary Wharf, where modern comfort meets convenience in the heart of London. Scan the QR code on screen now to book your stay or find more details in the video description. Just 5 kilometers from central London, this elegant 4-star hotel has been welcoming guests since 2001, with tasteful renovations completed in 2013 to ensure a fresh, contemporary atmosphere. With 108 spacious rooms, Fraser Place offers the perfect blend of comfort and functionality for both business and leisure travelers. Each room is thoughtfully designed with modern amenities to make your stay effortless. The hotel's prime location means you're only a 15-minute drive from the airport, making arrivals and departures a breeze. Simply check in after 4 p.m. or check out by 11 a.m. to suit your schedule. Do note that children's accommodations may incur extra charges. Stay active in the well-equipped fitness center, perfect for maintaining your workout routine with cardio machines and weights. And when you're ready to explore, Canary Wharf's vibrant business district and London's iconic attractions are within easy reach. Whether you're here for work or leisure, Fraser Place Canary Wharf delivers both comfort and convenience. Don't forget to book your stay by scanning the QR code on screen now.